What makes NexStar SE a favorite among serious observers and newcomers alike? It all starts with our signature orange tube, Schmidt Cassegrain and Maksutov Cassegrain optics. Available in 4, 5, 6, and 8-inch apertures. We've added our proprietary StarBright XLT optical coating to enhance light transmission, making your images brighter and more detailed. We know the best telescope is the one you will use most often. That's why NexStar SE breaks down into several lightweight pieces. It's the perfect choice for camping and sets up quickly in your backyard. If you're new to astronomy, you can begin enjoying the night sky right away with NexStar SE. The computerized hand control guides you through our simple SkyAlign procedure, then automatically generates a sky tour of all the best objects to view. Choose from thousands of objects in NexStar SE's database. Then, the computerized fork arm mount accurately points your telescope, centers your object perfectly in the eyepiece, and tracks it as it moves across the sky. You can even get started in astroimaging with your NexStar SE. Just attach any Celestron planetary camera or your DSLR. The 4 and 5-inch models also include a wedge for long exposure photography.